Hello everybody and welcome to Mystery Monday. So today we will do this bag. And I think I spotted something like the Bells of Notre Dame or something. So that could be it. But we'll know when we've done it. Let's do it. So the Hunchback of Notre Dame, so the Bells of Notre Dame, is the original title, as I just noticed. Yes, here we've got, I'm sure he has got a name, but just the storyteller of him. And yeah, what we got? Esmeralda, Phobos, we've got the gargoyles, and of course Quasimodo. Just a small part. Yes, that's it. That one was fun to do. So I managed to see that it's the Hunchback of Notre Dame, very early, but I just thought it was one big picture, but no, it's a little collection of pictures, and I really like it. So that one was fun. Okay, you guys. I have to admit, I never showed that movie to our kids because I don't think they can handle the mystique of Quasimodo. They are very sensitive about that. But yeah, I might show it someday. I love the music though. So if you like Mystery Mondays, you could consider to subscribe to my channel, then you won't miss one. And if you like what you saw, hit the like button. That would be awesome. Okay, you guys, thank you very much for watching, and we will see us on the next one. Bye bye.